Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a power hour. I have made a list of some things that I need to get done before I have to go run some errands. So I'm going to try to get through as much as I can, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video and get some cleaning motivation out of it. And if you do, I would love it if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. The bathrooms, I need to sweep and mop. I need to swap out and fold some laundry, clean off the top of my desk. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get to the toys right now, but I will try, and then make my bed. And here I'm just going to set the timer for 1 hour, and I'm going to start first with making my bed, and then I'm going to move on to the laundry and the bathroom and the rest of the list. Self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. Oh, here I am just taking my little guy's toys out, and then I'll be using the Grove concentrate. I believe it's the tub and tile concentrate. I've had it for a while, so I don't remember exactly. It's almost gone, but I'm finishing up it here. I'm using it on the shower. And then I have the little scrub brush that has a soap dispenser connected to it, and you just push the button, it lets the soap out, and that's what I'm using to scrub the walls here. And here I have a huge pile of coupons that I need to organize and go through that are falling out everywhere. I normally coupon every week, but I've been slacking and gotten behind on it. So I have a basket that I have like mail and stuff that I need to sort through by the end of the week. So I'm just adding it to that basket so I know that I have to get it done before the end of the week. I'm just lighting this new candle I got from Target that I absolutely love. It's so cute. And there's the time. 2 minutes left in the hour. I did not get everything done. I got about half done, so I'm happy with that. I will finish the rest later when I get back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and consider hitting the like button and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos that I post. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.